trying to shave the Z's engine bay, and to do that I had to start with removing the engine. Then I had to remove all the wiring from around the engine that goes back into the chassis. And now we're moving on to spot welding, spot weld removal. So I'm going to show you the tool real quick, how I'm starting to do that, and then we'll do a little time lapse of me trying to remove every bracket in here. Let's get to it.
Fuck! I just washed this thing.
Okay, so this is our tool here. It's got an awl on the end of it, which is pretty handy, and the serrated blades on it that will actually be able to cut into the metal. The idea here is to try to cut the outer sheet metal and not the inner sheet metal, so that you don't end up with a total hole in your bodywork, but you end up with like a clean cut that will allow you to remove the bracket that I'm working on here without having a giant hole that you have to fill with weld later. So what I found was really helpful on some of the rounded bits, because you'll see here it's a little bit rounded on the edges that I'm working on, was spinning up the drill before I put the serrated blade part onto the metal, and then spinning up quickly and marking it. And what that would do is it would kind of cut its own little groove with the blades in a circle around where I was trying to cut, and then it could kind of sink into there, and then I could start putting more pressure on it. That seemed to work a lot better than just going full hog at it immediately. So let's get through the rest of these and I'll see you on the other side.
So this is our finished product. You can see it kind of drills through this metal here, hopefully leaving that metal intact. You can see there I kind of fucked up a bit, but you know, that happens. So that one and a couple of the other small places are gonna have to be filled with weld. So make sure you know someone who welds in order to fill those up. So that's kind of it, guys. I still have some more like little wire holders to do, but I'm gonna do those tomorrow. Because it's getting kind of late and I gotta head to class soon. So I'm hoping to make like a bit of a whole series video thing about how to shave the engine bay, so stay tuned for that.